Hi, I am Yogesh Guthe. Today's topic is respiratory system. Now, respiratory system is also known as exchange of gas, CO2 and O2. Oxygen is inhale and carbon dioxide is uh, exhale. Inhalation and exhalation. That process is also called as the respiratory system. The respiratory system contains uh, nose, nasal cavity, uh, pharynx, larynx, uh, trachea, bronchioles, bronchus, alveoli, lungs. This is a part of the respiratory system that contains different function in this part. First of all, exchange of gases is the main function of the respiratory system. Nostril is air. Nostril is contains air filtration in contains nose. That hair-like structure that filter the air and avoid pathogenous harmful substance in the air, and to pass to the nasal cavity and in pharynx. Pharynx contain two wall, food and air, that and enter that can be done in larynx. Larynx is a sound box to produce the sound of our mouth. This contains different types of layer are present in larynx, and that pass to the trachea. Trachea is a cartilaginous layer that pass to air pass through the bronchioles and to the alveoli, lungs. The alveoli contains blood capillary substance to bound the alveoli, that contains inhale the oxygen O2 and exhale the CO2. Carbon dioxide is inhaled. Then they are again pass through in nasal to exhale of CO2. This process is called as a respiratory system. Respiratory process. The most of disease of asthma, chronic pulmonary arterial disease, that and alveolar disease are contain the harmful gases to damage the lungs, alveoli, branches, that the mucus liquid substance is bound in alveoli and bronches, vessel, that can do air are not pass through the alveoli and alveoli are damaged, that contains the diseases arises. The oxygen is a very important substance. Without oxygen our body is not survive. Oxygen inhale, oxygen O2 plus 6 glucose, oxygen plus glucose, that contains generate the CO2 and ATP. CO2 carbon dioxide is exhale and to form the ATP. Without the oxygen, ATP are not formed and energy not generate. ATP is not generate. This cause the ATP are not generate. The human body is not survive. That's no the oxygen is a very important substance to process the ATP generation or energy production.